1991 Topps Wax Pack is what we're going to start with. December 31st, 2024, the last day of 2024, New Year's Eve. Let's take a look and see what we got in this wax pack. There is gum in it. However, the wax pack is sealed. It looks like it's seen better days, so the gum, I'm not too... no. Oh yeah, that gum is no good, and neither is that card that it came off of. Let's see what we got here. Let's pull that card out. Kevin Seitzer. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and toss that card right away. Not even going to mess with it. All right, we start out with our Topps Instant Win Game card. We've got Brian Smith, Mickey Tettleton, Steve Crawford, manager of the Toronto Blue Jays, Cito Gaston, Randy Reddy, Jim Acker, Rob Ducey, Syracuse Chiefs native, Jeff Matto, manager of the Detroit Tigers, Sparky Anderson, phenomenal manager. Put him up there. Steve Olin, Scott Aldred, Ricky Jordan, Steve Searcy, and finally manager of the Minnesota Twins, Tom Kelly. Got a couple manager cards in there. That was Topps 40th anniversary set, 1991. Thanks for watching.